Welcome to DIY Future Project. DIY is an Erasmus Plus funded project aiming at teaching young people DIY skills to increase the lifetime of products and sustainable consumption. Ready to flip the script on how you source your stuff? Let me ask you this. What if the coolest, most amazing things didn't come from a store or an online deal, but from your own creativity? Sounds exciting, right? Well, that's exactly what we are diving into. We live in a world where everything is just a click away. But what if we told you there's a better way, one that's not just fun but essential for a more sustainable future? In this module, we are going to shake up your habits. We'll explore unconventional ways to source materials, unlock your creativity, and yes, even turn trash into treasure. It's all about creating things that don't just look good, but also tell a story. From rethinking how we get materials to crafting items that make a statement, this module is all about challenging the ordinary and embracing the extraordinary. Keep learning by exploring DIY Future contents on the website www.diyfuture.eu.